How to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply right click on your Valorant's icon and after that open up the properties. There, just simply select the option of compatibility and now check the box of run this program as administrator and just simply apply it and click on OK. After that, simply try to open up Valorant and it should be working quite fine. If the problem is still there, just simply open up your task manager and do it after you open up Valorant. And make sure that you set your Valorant program as the high priority by the task manager, and this will provide all the GPU support to your game. And if the problem is still there, then just simply reinstall it. And sometimes if your PC is not high end and your specifications are not good enough, then this might be a problem of your hardware. So simply check out whether everything is working fine with your hardware or not. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.